Today's May the 4th, 2019, and this is episode 123 of PlaneSavers. Well, everybody, it is Saturday morning, and this is as busy as I've ever seen it around the airplane. We have a boatload of volunteers, a lot of stuff going on. Jay's brought a sidekick. Not even time to talk. Stella, what's happening this morning?
Jay's my favorite man because he puts you in place.
What's that about? Anyway, so Stella and the crew are painting. Dominic's here on the tail. We're going to start putting the tail back together. Pierre's here doing the Pierre stuff, which is all the switches, because we got to get ready for engine startup on Monday. So tail, paint, engines. Ronnie's over there working on his engine. We got Benoit and Bobby, the two Bs. Bobby, what's happening?
Landing lights and panels. Vents being blown out today. Light bulbs changed. That kind of stuff.
Cool. Benoit, what's happening?
The same. I'm going to remove the glass from a landing light. And we have to remove all screws before. So, here I go.
Good. As you can see, folks, it is quite crazy. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot today, folks. This is one busy Saturday.
It's gonna be a lot today, Mikey.
So what? Did you say caramel latte? What did you say? Oh man. Okay, so we got the Tim Hortons coffee. I'm gonna have a coffee. It'll be my third one. So yeah. So here we go. I'm excited. We're gonna do the gear swing today, hopefully. Huge thanks to Chrono for allowing us to use the jacks, and hopefully I do have a tow bar surprise. Hopefully today. So it's, yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get to the work on the airplane. Jay, what's happening?
Hey Mike, new screws, some of these were stripped out. A bit of water laying behind there, so that's all pumped back in. We are getting close. We're gonna pull cowlings off, get purge these feathering lines, get some oil in the right side. Dustin is here, he's working in the right-hand wheel well. Hello.
What's happening, Dustin?
How's it going?
Good. You want to tell everybody at home who you are, what you're doing?
So I'm Jay's son. Just came up a couple days, came help out, see what I can do. Just checking for hydraulic leaks up here right now, and then hopefully pull that front cowling off, get the plugs out, and then hopefully turn it over, see what happens.
Things are moving along.
Are we still on schedule for a gear swing today?
Gear swing today, and we'll try and turn these engines over on the starter and purge the feathering pumps. That's today's mountain to climb.
Today we'll complete the overhead panel switches, and we'll try to check some other circuits such as anti-collision lights and other lights. So yeah, it will be a good day today.
Well, Bobby, what's happening over here?
Sheet metal Saturday. Dominic. I'm the student. I'll learn as much as I can.
Just like copy the original hole, or copy the hole from the original bracket on a kind of a template. I make an angle like this for 90 degrees to copy the hole perfectly as per the original one, to transfer the hole on, where's the other one? On the original one, with the same pattern, same distance, same cutout. Everything's gonna fit as a glove and on a hand. And same thing for the other bracket. Fit everything like that.
So you're basically stealing the holes, making yourself a template.
Yes.
So it's custom template for this aircraft only,
Yeah, for those kind of a rivet pattern.
and hopefully she'll just go in.
Yes,
Nope.
he's gonna go.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah, that's gonna be the goal.
So right now, what we are doing is that we are doing new head for the screw in order to remove them. We were able to remove 1/4 of them already. Some of them are broken, so we'll have to drill them later. But as you can see, it requires some effort. Robert is spraying right now, and this one seems need more lubricant. So we have a few of them to go.
30 years of rust.
Hit her, Pierre! Oh! There we go. Huge thank you to Mandy's Salads here for donating today's lunch. This is awesome homemade salad dressing. And these cookies, I already stole one of these cookies. Very cool. Thank you, Mandy's Gourmet Salads. Thank you. Bobby, tell us a joke.
I have no joke. I have nothing funny to say right now. Sun's out. Salad Saturday today. Thank you for taking pity on us. Wherever you were, it was delicious.
How was it?
Oh, magnificent. Yeah. So were the cookies.
Come on by itself. Stop on its own? Yeah. Good. Now you're going to hold it in now. Now hold it in that feather. That's what I thought. There's a plug missing back there. Okay. No. Yeah. Little oily. What's the song from the Beverly Hillbillies? Well, the next thing you know, old Jed's a millionaire. Getting folks that Jed moved away from there.
What happened, Jay?
We got a fitting that needs to be installed. That's why you do all the checks. Find all this stuff that
Jay, what's this leak?
I'll go get that fitting. Okay?
What's this leak?
No leak here. This is the, what happens is we take oil from the tank, pressurize it with a feathering pump through the governor, feather the prop. So it's just pushing oil out to the dome. When we go reverse and unfeather, now the oil that we just put in the dome to feather it comes out and gets dumped into the sump. The engine's not turning. Pump can't scavenge it and put it back in the oil tank, so you have no choice but to. Otherwise, you probably get away with one feather, but if you do it twice, you get enough oil that builds up in the engine, and you just get too much oil.
How's the midday update?
Good. The bottom piece are done. See the bottom bracket is like this. All done. Now I just have to install the little casting, you know, the casting for the pivot point. It's gonna be very good.
We are installing the riv nuts with this neat little special tool. It's a wedge and it pulls everything together. Okay, go ahead, try it again. Once more. No, it's like
How's the prop feathering go?
It was very good. It's the funny part now of the job because everything is working and yeah, and it's a teamwork. The avionics, the mechanics, and everyone is working together, and that's the result. So I'm pretty happy with that.
Before I go and buy red paint, why are you in my vase? Before I go and buy red paint,
Yep.
you can still make a buffalo green at this point, eh? If I buy buffalo green paint, I can still make the red stripe green. You want that?
It's coming pretty good, eh?
We're placing the Mickey Mouse nut plates. It's a nut plate that looks like the ears of Mickey Mouse in a V shape, like this. So right now she's well equipped with her glasses, her masks, and her boots. Every equipment she got it, and she's in there. Let's go.
What's happening?
What? Interesting. Good to see him working. I don't think I could go in there.
After she has done her job.
So what's this?
So that's the list of all the systems, electrical systems that are functional right now.
Ronnie, what do we have here?
Oh, this is just the pilot's captain side instrument panel. They were testing the electric horizon.
How did it work out?
It works good.
That's the word?
Pure tested it. So it works.
What? Did you see this? Did I see what? This? What? What's it?
Did you see this?
Don't touch. No, I didn't.
Touch it. Turn the switch.
It's so cute.
Do it again. It always does something else.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it, yeah. I need to. Okay, it's gonna disappear sometime soon. Yep, I don't know why.
And Jay, we're running out of time for today. Probably move the gear swing till tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we're delayed slightly. We had a couple of leaks that appeared. Hydraulic shutoff valve in the right hand wheel well was dripping, so Dusty's got that fixed up. It was a good day. A little bit of oil everywhere. Got a nice little shower. But it was good. It was fun. Don't want to leave, that's for sure. We had a couple leaks on the engines from the feathering system. One line wasn't done up, but all overcomeable, and just a center panel coming off, middle of the rear fuel base. And then we'll get that back on, and the sumps back on for the fuel tank now. Fuel check that in the morning, put that belly panel back on. Once all that's on, then we're free to jack. Get it up in the air, do a bunch of oiling and greasing, change the tires, and swing the gear. But today was good. We feathered both props. Feathering pumps are working, solenoids are working. So it's good.
What would you call tomorrow's episode?
Tomorrow, Sunday. Depends what tonight brings. It's either a bright sunny day or it's a stun day.
So I hope you guys got a lot done. Pierre and the boys worked immensely hard today in the cockpit, and the other crew worked immensely hard underneath the wing, and Dominic on the tail. This was an all-out effort today. Very proud of everybody. And yeah, so we're going to end the episode here, and we'll see you tomorrow. For Sunday, we're going to hopefully get that gear swung, and then hopefully set up Monday for firing up some engines. So, oh, still, you want to say the goodbye?
Good job. Bye! Yeah, I can stop filming. We'll show the plane then, not me. There. DTD says good night.